Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can set like the kids account on Netflix back to normal. I won't really change it, but go to netflix.com and select manage profiles. And so you're just going to select the kids section and you're just going to delete the profile. And it's going to delete the kids profile and you're just going to press save. This is the maturity setting. But if you want to kind of like change it back to normal, just select edit. You'll need a password for this and it's going to show like the ages that you can like choose from for the like maturity setting. And you can also set it to like all, but as you can see, it's still like a kid's account. So it's still going to just show like kids movies and like TV shows. So what I would suggest is just to delete it altogether and then add another profile that isn't set to the kids setting. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can do it. I again just suggest you just editing and pressing the delete profile, but I won't do that. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.